Hello everyone, today we are going to make the project dimming LED using 555 timer. So let us see the components. We require one breadboard, 555 timer, NPN transistor, LED, 470 microfarad capacitor, two 1 k ohm resistor, one battery, a battery snapper, some connecting wire. First of all, we will place the 555 timer on the breadboard. Always place the 555 timer at the middle of the breadboard so that the pins doesn't get shorted. As you can see, this is the notch point and this is pin 1 and then pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First of all, we are going to short pin 2 and 6. And pin 4 and 8. Now, take the 470 microfarad capacitor, connect its longer leg, the positive, to pin 2 and the shorter leg negative to pin 1. Now, take the transistor and place it on the breadboard. Before that, let us see the pins. So, if this is the NPN transistor and here this pin is the collector, the middle pin is the base and the pin on the right side is the emitter. Place the transistor in this way. Now connect pin 6 or pin 2 of the 555 timer to the base of the transistor. Now take a 1 k ohm resistor, connect its one terminal to the collector pin of the transistor and other terminal on the breadboard. Now take a LED, connect its positive terminal to the other terminal of the 1 k ohm and its negative terminal to the negative line of the breadboard. Now take another 1 k ohm and connect it between pin 2 and 3. Now take some connecting wires and connect pin 8 to the positive line of the breadboard and pin 1 to the negative line of the breadboard. So our connections are done. Now we will connect the battery snapper. Connect the red wire to the positive line of the breadboard. And the black wire to the negative line of the breadboard. Before connecting the battery, we have to connect the emitter of the transistor to the positive line of the breadboard. Now we will connect the battery. As you can see, the LED is glowing and dimming. Its brightness intensity is increasing and decreasing. Thank you.